What's going on, guys? We're back for yet another lecture here today, and we're going to discuss what learning really truly is. Now, as a profession, I've been teaching in the classroom for the past 3 years, high schoolers, history education, psychology education. And when I look at learning in general, and when I look at what learning truly is to these students and what it is to me, learning is potential. That's what learning is. It's potential. I look at each one of my students and I see that they have potential. They have potential to grow, to learn, to get better, to improve, to take something that they may have not been aware of before, they're now aware of it and then able to apply it. That's what learning is all about. It's about potential. Potential is the ability or the capacity to develop into something in the future. So I tell each one of my students, the first day they come into school, I tell them, you all have potential to really succeed. What makes the difference is the understanding that you have that potential. If you're defeated before you even walk in the door, well then, it doesn't matter how much potential you have inside you. If you're not going to release it and let it go and really try and really give it all that you have, you're wasting your potential. Has anybody ever told you that before? I know that when I was younger, my family, friends, they say, you got so much potential, Joe, you're just wasting it. What are you doing playing those video games? Or what are you doing on that computer in those computer games? Or what are you doing, hanging out with those people and doing that and doing this? I truly was wasting my potential in some spots. But the key is I've learned from it, I'm aware of it, and we're shifting away from that, and we're truly moving forward and learning and growing and getting better. And that's what this course is all about. It's about potential, unlocking your potential, unlocking your genius. There's a genius in each one of you. And we're going to discuss that coming up in our next couple of lectures, so stay tuned for that. I give some great examples of what a genius truly really is, and also how to discover your own genius so that you can improve your life and get some valuable information from this course and actually go out and apply it. It's one thing to understand what a genius potentially is. It's another thing to be a genius and actually do something with your genius inside of you. And I show you and I teach you how to do that. I show you exact steps and I talk about certain things that are going to help stimulate your genius. So stay tuned for that. We got so much more coming in the course. I'm really, really excited. And make sure that you're taking notes. Make sure that you're participating in the course. Ask questions. I answer every single one of the questions in this course. I can't wait to teach you more. So stay tuned. We're going to roll right on to our next lecture. But remember, last little summary point here before we move on. Learning is potential. Use your potential. Understand that you have the capacity to improve your circumstances. You're not locked in. That's what this course is all about. You want to be a super learner? Understand your potential. Use your potential, and you will be well on your way